Yes, class 3. Today I am giving you the MCQ. The MCQ on Indian sports. These are the questions. You keep on writing and then I will give you the answer. Start writing in your copy. Start writing in your copy. Question 1 is, आपने हेडिंग लिख लिया MCQs on Indian sports. लिख लेने के बाद ये लिखो. Question 1 उतारो. नेशनल गेम ऑफ इंडिया. ऑप्शंस ए, ऑप्शंस भी लिखना है आप सभी को. ऑप्शंस भी लिखना, जल्दी जल्दी लिख के जाओ. क्वेश्चन 1, नेशनल गेम ऑफ इंडिया. ऑप्शंस ए हॉकी, बी क्रिकेट, सी कबड्डी और डी नन ऑफ द अबव. द करेक्ट आंसर, write down. Write down. Question number 1 is national game of India. A hockey, B cricket, C kabaddi, D none of the above. Correct answer is D, none of the above. Now question 2. Question 2. Total number of gold medal won by Indian hockey team in Olympics. 8, 12, 6 or 9. Correct answer I will tell you. You write the option first. Fast, जल्दी उतारो. जिसका 1 हो गया. Question 2 उतारो, ऑप्शन भी उतारो, आंसर भी दे दिया मैंने. Write fast. Write fast. Now I am giving you the answer of answer 2. Question 2 का आंसर मैं दे रहा हूं. And the answer of question 2 is A, 8. A, 8. A, 8. Now write down question 3. Question 3 is, last Olympic gold medal won Indian hockey team at. Last Olympic gold medal won Indian hockey team at A, 1980 Moscow Olympic, B, 1964 Japan Olympic, C, 1973 Munich or D, 1992 Barcelona, Spain. Write down the options also, the question also as well as the option also. Then I will give you the answer. Fast. I hope all of you are writing. Speed में लिखो. Write down. Write down. जल्दी जल्दी हाथ चलाओ. And the correct answer of question C is A, 1980 Moscow Olympic. Okay. Fast, fast. Write down, write down. Now question number 2 is over. I hope everyone has written. Now I'm removing question 2. Now question 4. Question 4 is first individual Olympic medal winner from independent India. First individual Olympic medal winner from independent India. This is the question, and the options are A, K.D. Jadhav, B, Harihar Banerjee, C, Pradeep Bore, or D, none of the above. Write down the options, then I will give you the answer fast. Jaldi jaldi likho, time is less. Write fast, write fast. Done. Now I am giving you the answer of question 4. This is the answer of question 4. The answer of question 4 is option A, K.D. Jadhav. Answer of question 4 is option A, K.D. Jadhav. Write down fast. I have to give you more. Now I am going to question 5. If you are over question 4 जल्दी कर लो, फिर मैं question 5 में जाऊंगा. Do fast question 4. Do fast question 4. I will go to question 5. I hope question 1, 2, 3, and 4 all over. Do fast, write down in your copy. Done. Now I am going to question 5 and 6. Now this is question 5, 6 and 7. Question 5, 6 and 7 मैंने एक साथ दे दिया. देख लो. Question number 5 is Asian Games last held in India. Asian Games last held in India when? 1982, 1986, 1972, or 1990? Write down all the questions and the options fast. Now I'm giving you the answer of question 5. The answer of question 5 is option A, 1982. 1982. Now question 6. Question 6 is, who among the following is known as Flying Sikh of India? Who among the following is known as Flying Sikh of India? अब उसके बाद क्वेश्चन मार्क दे देना, ओके? गिव क्वेश्चन मार्क. And the options are A. Kapil Dev, B. P.T. Usha, C. Mikha Singh, or D. Joginder Singh. Write down all the answer options. First, you write the question, who among the following is known as Flying Sikh of India? Then write all the options, then I will give you the answer. I hope all of you have completed till question 5 and now writing question 6. Write down. Now I am showing you the answer of question 6. The answer is option C, Milkha Singh. The answer of question 6 is option C, Milkha Singh. Now I am going to question 7. Question 7. The only driver in Indian Grand Prix 2011 is. The only driver in Indian Grand Prix 2011 is options A. Alice Powell, B. Sarah Fisher, C. Maria Teresa, or D. Divina Glacier. You write down this, then I will show you the answer. Then I am showing you the answer of question 7. The answer is option A, Alice Powell. The only driver in Indian Grand Prix 2011 is A, Alice Powell. Okay. Now, I hope all of you have written till question 6 and now you're writing 7. So now I'm going to question 8. Now question 8. Question 8 is, in which stadium Tendulkar completed his 100th century? Question number 8. In which stadium Tendulkar completed his 100th century? Options are A. Eden Garden, B. Shere Bangla Stadium, C. Firoz Shah Kotla Ground, or D. None of the above. Write down the options. I'm giving you the answer. Now I'm giving you the answers of question 8. And the answer is Shere Bangla Stadium, option B. In which stadium Tendulkar completed his 100th century? The correct answer is option B, Shere Bangla Stadium. Done. Now I'm going to question 9. Question 9. Question 9 is total Olympic medal won by India in 2012. Total Olympic medal won by India in 2012 is A 5, B 4, C 6 or D 8. Copy down, copy down. I'm giving you the answer of question 9. Answer is option C 6. Question 9, total Olympic medal won by India in 2012. 6. Option C 6. 6 Olympic medal. Now I am giving you the last question for today. Last question for today. क्योंकि मैं और भी दूंगा मंडे नेक्स्ट क्लास में, अभी 10 तक. So the last question 10 is for the day. The last question for the day is question 10. First non-test playing nation that beat India in international cricket. Question is first non-test playing nation that beat India in international cricket. Options are A, Sri Lanka, B, New Zealand, C, Bangladesh or D, Zimbabwe. Let me give you the answer. And the correct answer for question C is A, Sri Lanka. A, Sri Lanka. First non-test playing nation that beat India in international cricket is option A, Sri Lanka. Okay. So these MCQ on sports 1 to 10 I have given today. More I will give you in my next class. Okay. Now I am ending my class here. जिसका भी हो चुका है, you make the PDF and send to my WhatsApp for checking. Okay. So I am ending my class here. Done. I'm stopping my class here.